Welcome to GCSE Maths Higher Tier, question by question. Read each question carefully, at least twice, then pause the video and work through your own answer. Once you're finished or have got as far as you can, watch the solution that follows. Do check that you've included all necessary working. The more working, the better. The time in the top right is just a guideline. If you can finish all questions in that time, you'll have plenty of time left in the exam to check all of your answers. But if it takes longer while you're practicing, that's not a problem. Take as long as you need. Okay, let's start with this one. A very typical problem. The mean of 17, 20, x, 29, 36 and 39 is 28. So we have the mean of those six numbers. And we have to find the value of x. We know that the mean is always the sum of a set of data divided by n, the number of items in the list. A very useful rearrangement of this formula is that the mean multiplied by n will always give us the sum. If a question ever gives you the mean, you're very likely to have to do this. So that means 28 multiplied by 6, which is the number of numbers in this list, including the unknown x, will give us the sum of all the data. That's 168. Now we can add up the five numbers that we know: 17 plus 20 plus 29 plus 36 plus 39, and find the sum of those five numbers. On the calculator, that comes to 141. The difference between the total of the six numbers and the five numbers, not including x, must be x. So x is 168 minus 141, giving us that x must be 27. Okay, on to part B. Find the median of the six numbers. Before we find the median, or the quartiles, we need to make sure the numbers are written in ascending order. Here they are already. I'll just rewrite them so it's clear what x is. So it's 17, 20, then comes x, which we've just found is 27, then 29, 36 and 39. With a short set of numbers like this, it's usually fairly easy to see where the middle is. Hopefully you can see there's three numbers here, there's three numbers here. So the median falls right in the middle with exactly three numbers each side. So the median will be in that gap. In other words, the number between 27 and 29. I know what that is, it's 28, but if the numbers were trickier, you could always add them together, 27 plus 29, and divide by 2. That will give you the number directly halfway between them, which is, of course, 28. If it's a longer list of numbers, you could always use the fact that the median is always the n plus 1 over 2 position in the list. Here we had six numbers, so here the median is the 7 over 2, or the 3.5 position. And you can count 1, 2, 3, 27 is the third, 29 is the fourth, so we go halfway between them. Either way, we have found that the median is 28.